What's up? What's up? We ready to rock? Let's do this. So I know we're not going to go live on this channel. This whole channel is just for the quick, to the point situations. But we're going to go live just because we got 1,000 subscribers. So I figured we go live on this channel for once and see who the actual subscribers are in the beginning. First and foremost, I have QQQ, so I have to answer this. We're going to watch the Fed reaction. Why is it? Hang on. Gotta pull this up real quick. I am in 280 calls. With 280s and 285s. What would you guys do? Lock it in, or should we sell something against it? Let's do the 285s first. How about them at 453? They're at 510 right now. Close it, or should we sell something else against it? All right, let's yeah, here we are. 5. Let's go to just bring up the options chain. What would we pay for them? 453. So we could sell. I could sell the 286s for free. Still to close, you gotta write it. I can get a free play on this. That's $100 per contract. What's the 290s? We are dropping. I kind of want to lock something. Are we selling off right before the push up? Do we hold our ground? I guess I'll worry about it later. Results come out at 2, which is in 10 minutes. Powell speaking at 2:30. The market may move one way for results and another once Powell gets on the mic. You going to trade the initial move at 2? I think so. You never trust the first move. There's always the first one and then the second move. It used to be almost like clockwork. It'd go up and you knew you just needed to go shorter. If it dropped, you would just buy it and go long. What's up, everybody? Dropping as we speak. So now they're at 488 per contract. Kind of annoying. You definitely don't want a green trade to go red. And that's pretty much what I'm risking right here. Like I've been just telling everybody, like my mentorship group, you guys watch on the Dodd-Frank show. We talked about events like this and how it's almost like an earnings play. Like there's got to be an announcement. It's going to go up or down. This is the same money you'd take to the roulette table. Now we're back to 502. These things are getting spicy, dancing around. Following Tesla closely. Let's keep an eye on Tesla. What's it at? 681. Hopefully that pushes up. I don't know why I'm like randomly anxious right now. It has nothing to do with trading, but I hope I make it. Happened the other day on Brad's stream as well too. Like just random anxiety just coming in. Volatility has entered the chat. Yeah, no kidding. Hang on. There we go. Sorry if that's loud. It's like a fan. Let's do this. What's everyone watching right now? What's the S&P doing? Hanging out right at the expected move. So all we did was just kind of rein it back in. Ooh, what do we do? Send it up here. We're well within our means to end it way up here. Or full send. Is it so SPY gonna end at 404 or 362? What do you guys think? I don't have any hedges right now is the thing. So if we rip this thing to the downside, I gotta see what puts I'm in. I've sold some puts. I am gonna close those really quick. Because the last thing I want is that going nuts. I'm in some SPY puts. I sold the 368 SPY puts. And that puts us right here. So I would need SPY to stay above that right there. Where's it at? Is that 404? Raw dog. Man, that would just really suck if we just full sent this thing. My idea was bullish. We'd have a bullish reaction, and that would be a good short entry. But I'm just curious how many people think that, and then we just let this thing rip. Like, it'd be nice to just get a quick little pop up to that blue zone, and then go short. Maybe we're bullish for a couple days. That would be very impressive to get to that next top zone. This is a zone 2, but that's where my alert was at. But do we just spill over and call it a day, or what? All of Wall Street's bets is bearish. Yeah, but they're kind of, I don't want to say dumb, but they are brand new to this. I mean, Wall Street bets, you guys hear about the cool Wall Street bets plays, but largely they just lose a bunch of money together. There's a handful of them that make money here, and there's not even like a consistent handful. It's just like a couple random pockets. This guy did well one day, and it's just like talking to everybody at the casino, only talking to the ones that hit the jackpot on the slot machine. Well, at least you know that order just closed. The SPY puts that I sold, they're up. I just locked in. I don't want a bunch of green trades going red. Got a gut feeling it's going to go up just because everybody and their mom is saying bearish. That's kind of what I'm hoping. That just gave me a heart attack. Are you trading on TOS? I have everything on TradeStation turned off, so you won't hear those orders. I doubt I take a trade in Robinhood. So you won't hear any of those. You shouldn't hear any other alerts go off. This is for all the marbles, huh? I don't like that's pushing up right before. This is how you just watch a trade go south on you for no reason. Especially these out of the monies, 285s. They're at 540. They're at 510, dropped to 480. Now they're at 540. TOS is closed. That's why I freaked out. So I'm up $100 per contract on this. What would you guys do? I'll leave this one up to you guys. It's a gamble play, so it's not like there's any gonna be wrong answers. Close it or let it roll. Because it's not your money, do you want me to just let it roll, or what would you guys do if you were in this particular trade? Let's go to close. What we got? Anything cool up here? 542. A little bit of a sell wall at the 540s. You guys are all saying close. You guys are a bunch of... No, I'm kidding. So you guys aren't a bunch of gamblers. Let's sell the 286s. Hang on. Let's go. Let's get a free trade out of this. So I bought I'm gonna let the 280s roll. The 285s I bought for 453. They're up here at 530. So I'm gonna sell a 286 for 490. So it won't be a day trade. I'll get a little icing on the cake if I'm right. Give me 1 second. Everyone always wants an example of this. Here it is live. I'll just grab this one. Let's do. Let's sell that one for. I'm gonna call it 495, and we'll roll the dice. We'll let fate decide this one. All right, so we locked that in. It actually instantly filled, so we're going for it. So right now, I either make $40 or $100 per contract. Like there's no way I lose on this scenario. I got paid $40 to be in a $1 spread. The others are just gonna roll. Let's watch the reaction on here. Let's put stops in the green on the other. All right. Should we trail this bad boy? What time is it? Oh, we still got another minute. Let's do this. Did your stop just tag, Jake? The bid was below my stop. That was a close one. I'm surprised I did not just stop out. Looks done looking order filled. That would have sucked. They got a super wide spread. I thought I was for sure tagging out. Now I'm going to put it in, though. Looks like we at least got some kind of green reaction. This is algos trading when they see the reaction. I'm going to scoop my stop up now. That's just going to... Don't tag. Alright, the bid's below it again, so hopefully it doesn't tag. And it just failed. At what? Man, that was quite the gap on the fill. I scooped my stop up, and it filled at my original stop. It's depressing. Well, as long as the red candles keep coming, we're going to be all right. Uh-oh. Is it points? So 0.75 basis points, huh? So we thought, so Powell's been saying 0.5 the whole time, and so we kind of figured he was going to come on and say 0.5. And, great filtration station, thanks. Instantly at 2. That sucks, Jake. I don't know how I even snaked by that one. Anyway, so I was kind of thinking everyone was going to freak out, and they're pricing in 0.75, which is why we got that huge sell-off. But now with inflation just kind of running rampant, I wonder how much of the stock market priced in 0.75, and we kind of just expect that now to where 0.5 just isn't enough to bat inflation, and then now, you know, everyone's just getting screwed. What is Tesla doing? 684? Kind of rejecting that zone right now. Oh, hang on. Let's get off the. I'll go on your guys' time frames. SPY. Let's go with the 5 minute. QQQ 5 minute. Get the junk out of here. Oh wow. Well, I guess it's a good thing we tagged out. Why is everything such a different color? Let's go Tesla here. 681. 5 minute. Let's get some real estate on the screen. So not a good reaction. I'm gonna put my Tesla stop up. I've been managing very piss poorly. I'm gonna do 674.85 on Tesla. I have just not been managing my Tesla trade. It's so small that I have not been managing it. But it either goes or it doesn't right now. Give me 1 second. miss it? Oh. Wow, we avoided that. I don't like the 75 area. I guess it's quite a bit. Sorry. I'm not used to the 5 minute. 674 is where my stop's at right there. Time to short. I want to give it a second in case this is that first move where it's actually time to go long. You know, so this is the reaction. The notes get released, and then here in 30 minutes, Powell's going to speak, and then, gosh, should we short this thing right now? Hang on, let's just check out one thing. There is one ticker I do want to grab. SPXS or SQQQ. SPXS is going to win. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to keep that in case we do just get a complete rug pull on this. So I filled at 27.96, so it's already red. I'm going to keep that for a little bit because, like what we've been going over as far as the market goes, even if we're green now, just know that I'm still going to be in it. This is basically going to be my type 1. Up here will be my type 2. So if we get up to here, I'm going to add on, not because I'm going to average down. I know some of you guys like to do that. That's my whole plan from the beginning. But I wouldn't, as far as people buying puts and everything, I probably wouldn't short it yet until, even though I just took a short position, I wouldn't go hard in the paint until this zone breaks. Win. But in case we do, because right now we definitely have that drop and a base. So next stop, drop base rally is going to be the 2 outcomes. Fat green candle on the dollar. Well, I'm sure I'll be stopping on Forex. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be stopping out here pretty quick on that, actually. Well, it's still in the green. Hang on. We went short this the other day. I am going to put my stop. Ooh, 30 pips away. So the dollar better turn around or we're screwed. We went short the other day on Don Fran's show. So I just moved my stop right up here, which is above that. So we're in the green. I don't want that going red, but in case we do get a rejection. How'd you guys trade this? There's 75 of you guys here. If you're trying to comment and you can't, it's because you're not subscribed. But if you hit the subscribe button, then you can comment in the live chat. There won't be a lot of these if you're new to this channel. This is just the quick. All these videos should be quick. This is the one time we're going live. I'll probably do it again at 10,000 subscribers. But it'll be very, very rare. Let's check the markets out real quick. I wonder if they bought any. There is a suspicious amount of calls on here for Meta. A $30 million order. I thought that was kind of crazy. Anything happened right before the bell? Ooh, a lot of TQQQ. Oh, they probably sold those. 1.8 million on SPY. That's nothing. I'm just waiting for gold to dump so I can grab some. Nice. My Tesla, did it tag out? Looks like I tagged out. Yeah, I for sure did. No, I put my stop at 674.85. So, to be clear, it's still in my investment account, but trading account, I got in it back here, and it was just red, and I was just waiting for this. I should have tagged out, but it was just such a small position, I didn't care. Or just something I try to coach people against doing. What is gold up to? Why is it? Man, I guess people like gold. I guess if I was going to buy gold, I might grab some of that. But that'd be like, I might toss that thing on the back burner and see what happens. Let's check out the VIX. Anybody buying up volatility? Whew. That's quite a bit in futures. Can't trade, busy at work. At least not trying to force it and then getting some bad news later. Let's see where we're at. What's everyone? Anyone else? Who's short? Who's long? Let's do a quick little roll call right now. Bitcoin just a little bit closer to that $10,000 mark. Almost there. Ethereum will be at 700 in no times. We're doing good there. Where's Meta? I'm not used to seeing it. Meta. What a dumb name. Short. Stop below the wicks. Russell long futures. Cool. Not in anything. A couple of you guys are short. You guys on Wall Street bets a lot? A lot of you guys are short. Long? There's one guy's long. Long Russell futures. A couple guys are long, I guess. Cash right now was bullish with you on the Qs. How'd that turn out? Are we... Is it just chopping around? Man, I kind of want to get back in the Qs. And go long. What's this Friday's expiration? 17th? What are we talking about here? Just in case. In case that Powell comes out and says, don't worry, we're fine. I mean, it's always hilarious when they say that, but... Hang on 1 second. I'm going to buy some 280s again. Alright. Hour trade. Let's go. Full send. So, did anybody else just grab the 280s long? $467. I don't know if I'll swing them yet, Justin. If there's a bullish reaction, is that the? Looks like we're already up. If there's a bullish reaction, we're down a couple dollars. This is your chance to get a couple dollars cheaper if you agree. Oh, this isn't a call out. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. That's why I don't do this, because someone's like, it's Don's fault. Not my fault you clicked the buy button. But if you agreed with the play, then we're going to lose money together. Cash itching to grab some SPXL or TQQQ. I think I favor the Qs on that one. I don't know. Let's check the futures. Maybe not. I like the Qs to move just a little bit faster, but I guess the S&P does have a better chart. Oh, be a man. So we got Powell released. Well, the notes got released, and then here in like 15 minutes, Powell will. He's usually on time. He's not like the other guy. Good old Joe. If we were waiting on Joe, this would be a 3-hour stream before he actually went live and went off the prompter. But he should be on time, but then they'll start asking questions. Waiting on the candles without huge wicks. Yeah. Third time's a charm. Back in the SPY, 380 calls. We could probably sell a couple. Hang on. Let's do one more TOS alert. Let's do. Maybe I'll leave that alone. Don't take my money. Let's get back on a smaller time frame. One more time, shout out to you guys for being subscribed. This won't be a trading channel as much as we will talk about stocks and everything. You guys know that, but I figure let's try it one more time. Plus, we got to get the view hours up on this thing. YouTube says I still suck. Ron, can I share that on YouTube? Or are you even watching live? Michael, where's your brother? Is Ron? Ron, is that your channel? Zizu? Is that you? Can't wait to buy a big position in SPY and just sell options. Is that what you're trying for? You can try to save up. Meta bear flag on the 4 hour. He's at work. Oh, dang. Hang on. Let's just arrange this by premium. Scroll to top. 30 million. Meta, January 19th of 24. Strike 420. This looks like something Elon bought. I swear if Elon bought that. Who's trying to turn this into a meme? Meta has leaked that they are changing their algorithm to attack TikTok. Pelosi bought the 420. Man, why do I feel we need some of that? I don't know. That's making me think I want to buy some. Not gonna lie. I have enough Facebook. I really do. But what do you guys think? 30 million. That's a decent amount. And it was above the ask too. So we gotta believe they bought it. I don't really copy these, but that makes me want to just so I can track it. I'm going to buy 4 of them. Yeah, $1,000, not bad. Otherwise, I'll forget about it. But then maybe I can be like the cool kids on Instagram. You know, they'll buy something ridiculous. I would never buy that far out of the money. But they do, and like most of the time they lose and you just never hear about them. It's January of 24. Oh, that's got time to recover. Open interests. Volume 130,000. Insane. See if that fills. And put it right in the middle. 285. Here's Don's chance to do 1,000% gains. Yeah, I see it. When I buy options, it's at the money, so they'll go up a couple 100%, and that's awesome. I'll spend more. I'll also make more. By the time you guys are typically posting your 1,000%, my one options contract is dancing circles around that. So it's just kind of a, What are you buying? I'm gonna buy a couple of these right here. Win. This is now. This is hopefully you've been following me for a while, so you know this is not usually my thing. Meta, January 19th to 24, 420 calls. And I just moved it to 290 and it instantly filled. Just where the ask is at. Yeah, the 30 million calls. What's the expiration? January of 24. It's curious that they picked the 420 number, because that literally sounds like something Elon would do. I hope he does so I can say I already called it out. I'm going to take a clip from this, but I already called it. I know Elon better than you. Baba broke out of the down channel. I will check that real quick. Uh-oh. What are we doing with the Qs? Are we green? We are up. Did anybody spend the $467? You're up about $100 right now per contract. Oh, I literally just told you we were about to go over Baba and went over to that. My bad. I still want to short that. This still just looks like a great short. It did. We've gone over this a couple times. I have a standalone YouTube video, so we went short Baba. That did actually tag out, but Baba does this, so a lot of people might be looking at this specific channel thinking that's bullish, maybe. But characteristically, let's just delete this so we can quit selling you a bullish position. We get the leg down, sideways. Some people probably thought it was going to break here at this higher high, and then the next leg down. Sideways, higher high, next leg down. Like, it's consistently done this the whole way down. And that higher high kind of doesn't look the same. Or, I mean, kind of does look the same. But Alibaba breaks this, and we go right back in short. I'm tagged out twice, and on my third and final try. Ozzy, what are you doing? Are they good? Are they good trades? There's 82 of you here. I want to see 82 names commenting right now. Either where you're from, green or red day. Do like the cheesy stuff all the YouTubers say. Long, short, green or red. And is your mom named Martha? Or is that just a DC thing? Tesla getting close to my prediction for the close. From Mars. So you're a man? Because women are from Venus. TOS is a POS. Horrible fills. Well, they say that a lot. If your broker rhymes with POS, and you get what you paid for. Let's see. Germany. What's going on? I'm it. You're long and you're green. You're expecting some green in the next couple of weeks, then we push lower? Probably more like in the next couple of days, and then we push lower. I think the market is more likely to go down and break some of them records. I think we're crossing that, or checking that box. I do think we will do that. From New York City. Live in Maryland, though. What are we doing in New York? Didn't you just move from there? You're moving back? Or picking some stuff up? Leave TOS out of this. Have a good one, Amir. Hit the thumbs up on your way out. Jake's annoyed to be green. Yeah, where are we at? Oh, we must be selling back off. We are. Got a red candle on the Qs. These mother... Let's go. I'm trying to make things spicy. None of it. Did I say it right? None of it. Canada. In cash, waiting for Powell to save the day. Waiting for a dump to the Rona lows, huh? What's up, Gary? Martha, turn up. Let's go. What was that noise? I don't need my computer making any noises. Bought the Facebook 420 calls and my broker app crashed. How hilarious is that going to be if we see Elon's the one who spent the $30 million on Facebook? Tesla bought it? Oh, man. That'd be a dream for whoever's in that. Did you guys hear that beeping noise? Red from upstate New York? Got a lot of New York people in here. Vancouver. If you're outside the country, how does the United States look? Like, be honest. Do you guys have like a bunch of news just laughing at us, or I imagine that's what it's like. Hopefully you guys put your stop in the green. How much of those calls down? Down a little bit. Green again. I thought it came out from you, Robo-Don. I believe the rate increase is 0.75. Greetings from Denver. Down front on your lunch. Less red. Nice. I feel like I need to go to Denver. I've been to Colorado once. I just drove through Denver. I went to Fraser. This is maybe a confirmation they hike 0.75 the next meeting as well. That could be the river. Yeah. Look at it. It's holding up better than most tickers. In phase.